wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school.
Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn. Yay!
Hi children, welcome back. I'm Teacher Ada. Now we are going to read My Bird book. Are you ready, kids?
Yes!
Awesome, let's go. There are many different types of birds. Looking over here, we have 1, 2, 3 birds. Are they the same?
No!
No, there are many different types of it. Birds have wings that help them to fly. Birds have wings that help them to fly. Can you flap the wings together like this? Awesome, kids! They also have a beak. You see? Over here. That is the bird beak. Birds eat seeds and fruits. You see over here? We have the seeds and the fruits. They eat peaches, apples, sometimes papaya, and lots of other seeds as well. They can be large or small. You see, this is a flamingo and this is a woodpecker. Birds can be very colorful. The parrot is colorful, the turkey is colorful, and the quail is colorful too. So birds have different colors. Birds tweet and some even sing tunes. Have you ever heard bird tweet before? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Like that. Alright, let's go into the fact of birds. Do you know that birds have almost 10,000 species in the world? And they goes from the large big birds to the small tiny little birds. Oh, and do you also know that some birds can mimic human? Yes, like parrots. And when we say hello, they say hello to us back. And all birds lay eggs. Okay children, that's all for the story for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye-bye!
I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school.
Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn.